Ready? One, two, three, go.
We guess we are live now. So we are here with a very, very awesome news for the 2023 batch. Meanwhile, could you guys please let us know in the chat below if we are completely audible and visible to you guys? And we can also wait for a few more students to join and then we can start the session. All right, so Vipul Patel says yes. So assuming that we are audible, can a few more participants please also know let us know if we are audible completely, and then we can start with the session. Okay. All right. So okay, it seems like we are. So let's not waste any more time and start this live session, which is basically for the 2023 batch. Microsoft is hiring you guys. We are here with a very awesome news for you all. So this is one of the dream opportunities. There are a lot of you who want to get placed in Microsoft, who have been preparing for so long to get a placement in company like Microsoft. So here is Microsoft for you guys. Let's check out what this drive has for you. So basically, let's scroll down and see. All right, just give us a second, okay? Okay, so here we are. So this is for the profile of software engineers. It is a full-time opportunity for the 2023 batch. All right, and there are four locations for this particular drive, which are Hyderabad, Bangalore, Noida, and one more, which it seems like they haven't mentioned, but it says that there are four locations. So you have a preference of location as well. And let's also come down and check out the eligibility criteria for this drive. So it involves pursuing a bachelor's or master's degree in engineering, computer science field, or related fields to that. So if you are a 20, also mentioned here that you should be graduating in 2023. So if you are a 2023 graduate and you are pursuing your bachelor's or even master's in engineering and from the computer science or related field, this is the opportunity for you. Um, a minimum of CGPA is required here, that is 7. So you should be having 7 CGPA throughout, your bachelor's and master's, and there should not be any backlogs. So make sure that all your backlogs are cleared. This is a very important criteria here. 1 year of programming experience in an object oriented language is required, so you need to have experience in oops. And apart from that, ability to demonstrate an understanding of computer science fundamentals, including data structures and algorithms. So you need to have DSA knowledge and a good DSA knowledge as well. All right, so here are the benefits and perks mentioned. Obviously, it's Microsoft. If you get shortlisted there will be a lot of benefits that will be there for your job role. And here they are mentioned here. You can just give this a read, and All right, let's apply to this drive and check out how to properly register. Click on the apply now button and you will be taken to the sign in login page. So if you are new to this new to Microsoft and you're not an employee, you can just come down here, select whichever option is preferable to you. I'll just go for sign in with Google here. All right. All right. So once you have signed in, basically, if your ID is logged in, you will just click on it and you will be taken to this page where you have to create your profile and choose your country. Let's choose India here, and everything, by the way, is already filled from your, like, when you select the login option, it will take all the information from there. All right. So this will basically, you'll have the option to continue with the application, or it will again ask you to sign in with LinkedIn if you want. You can apply with this option. It will involve lesser steps basically because everything will be linked in your LinkedIn profile. But if you want to sign in, you can also try out Gmail. So that would be everything for regarding the registration. All right. So, what does this particular profile, involve for you guys? Just give me a second. I'll just take you back to the sign-in page. All right. So for this particular profile, what is required is you are required to have good knowledge of DSA. You are required to have, a really, really good knowledge of OOPS as well. Also, experience is required. So once you fill up the form and, once you fill in all the details, you will be asked to, enter your job experience, which is basically your internship experience or your project work experience. So that is a given for companies like Google and Microsoft. If you want to apply in such good companies, so you need to have internship and project experience. All right, let's come down here and see what else is on the login, on the page. Meanwhile, let's also discuss about internship experiences and project experiences while we are on the topic. So it says that, for companies like Google, for companies like Microsoft, you need to definitely have project based experience. So while you're filling up the form, if you see the job experience section, please do not worry. It refers to internships and projects and how to get started with that. So basically, if you have prior experience, really good, please keep working on yourself and keep upskilling yourself. If you do not and you are looking for an opportunity to start right away, because the registrations have already begun and there's no deadline to it. So what to do in that case, you can definitely just check out PrepInsta Prime. Let me show the website to you as well. All right. So here is PrepInsta Prime for you. Basically, your one stop for everything that you need to get placed in, any of your dream companies, be it Microsoft, be it TCS, be it any other company. So, what to do if you want to get started with internships right away and you do not have any prior experience? You can just come down to PrepInsta Prime and check out the TCS Viewer internship that we have for you. You can right away get started with it. Or if you want to work on projects, let's say you do not have any projects that you have worked on, you can still come down here and check out this section which says let's create projects and start your start working on any of the projects that you prefer. Or if you need our help, you can definitely DM us or give us a call. We will help you and guide you with it. What else is required for this drive by Microsoft is definitely a good understanding and 1 year experience of OOPS, along with a really good understanding of DSA. So we have also covered that for you. Just come down to this section right here and you will have basically everything that you need. So DSA and C++ is here. Apart from that, you have a lot of material on the object-oriented languages as well. So everything that you need to prepare for your placements, everything that you need to prepare for Microsoft is already right here for you in a curated form, so that you're not looking for resources all over the place and you miss out on the actual preparation part, which is the most important thing. Because let's be honest, it is going to be a really, really tough competition. Also, Microsoft does resume based shortlisting. So if you do not have an updated resume, please make sure that your resume is up to date with all the latest information. If you have if you have concerns about how to prepare your resume, and how to make it perfect for Microsoft, we have covered that for you as well under the resume preparation section. So you can just check out PrepInsta Prime. Basically, everything that you need is here. The link will be in the description, and the team will also be sharing the link in the chat, so you can check out PrepInsta Prime for everything that you need to prepare for Microsoft. All right. So now that we are done with it, can if you guys have any doubts, if you guys have any concerns, keep sharing them in the live chat. We will be taking a few questions from the chat as well. So if you have any concerns, drop them. Okay. Somebody is asking for the link. Like a lot of people, Praveen is also asking for the link. Link will be shared in the description of the video once this live session ends. So make sure to keep watching it till the end. Uh, Techie Alien, Praveen, all of you guys, just wait for a few more minutes. Let's take a few questions and see what queries you guys have. And, then you can definitely apply to this drive. Link will be in the bio. So Rishikesh is asking only coding. Rishikesh, you need to have, as mentioned by them, that you definitely need to have a good knowledge and experience in coding. Also, it's Microsoft, and it's the software engineer profile. Definitely you need to have good experience and a really good knowledge of coding. But there are a lot of criterias involved apart from that as well. If you do not have a good resume, let me tell it to you, Microsoft does shortlisting on the basis of your resume. So if you do not have a good resume, even they wouldn't be shortlisting you, because if you could just come down to the frequently asked questions here, guys, all your queries would already be solved. So just check here. I've submitted my resume. Now what? All right, check out this section right here. So it says our recruiters review job applicants for each openings and reach out to those who appear to be a strong match. Also, focus on this section that your resume will be in their database. Also, they will definitely uh, look out for you if there is any other job opportunity by them and you are a suitable match. So your resume also plays a really important role here. That is the reason why we are constantly stressing on the fact that if you do not have a good resume, please start working on it and do let us know if you need our help regarding it. So, is this an internship? No, this is not an internship. This is a full time opportunity. So, just check this out here. It says full time opportunity right here for the 2023 batch. So that is what we are stressing on, guys. This is a really golden opportunity for the 2023 batch. So if you want to apply for Microsoft, if you want to get a land job in Microsoft, make sure that you are applying to this drive and applying to this drive correctly. All right, all info says, ma'am, how to in Microsoft, assuming that you are you're referring to how to get placed in Microsoft. We just explained it to you that there are a lot of things that you need to start working on if you haven't started your preparations already. If you want to land a job in Microsoft, Google, or any other company, let's say even TCS and Cisco are hiring currently for the 2023 batch. Wipro and many other companies are expected to hire soon. So it's high time that if you have not begun your preparation, if you think that there are a lot of things that you need to work on, this is the time, guys. Please do not waste any more time into thinking what and when to prepare. You just have the perfect solution for it. This is PrepInsta Prime for you. You can just come down here, check out the courses for any company that you want, check out the syllabus, in fact, for any company that you want. Start with checking out the syllabus, definitely. And waste no more time and just start preparing for Microsoft. If you want to get placed at Microsoft, if you are preparing for TCS, everything that you need for TCS NQT for 2023 batch, that is going to happen in August. The exam dates, by the way, are also announced that from 15th onwards the exams will start. So if you are also preparing for that, here is the course for you. You can also check out the syllabus from here. So yeah, there's no point panicking. All info. If you need our help, please give us a call on the numbers mentioned here: 844-844-0710, or DM us on Instagram, and our team will help you out. Also, let me also show you the Instagram for the 2023 batch. All right, guys. So here is the 2023 exclusive Instagram account that we have for the 2023 batch. So if you are, if you will be graduating in 2023, or if you have a friend or someone you know and care about who will be graduating in 2023, please make sure to, let them know that we are on Instagram, easily accessible to everyone, and you can just come down, follow, give us a follow, DM us for any concerns that you have. We will be helping you out. You can also check out the recent posts that we have done. Cisco is also hiring for the 2023 batch, by the way. So if you're not applying to Microsoft, you want to apply to Cisco, or if you want to apply to TCS, you can just come to our Instagram, DM us. Our team will let you know where is the link, how to apply, and everything else like the syllabus, the exam pattern. So we are trying our best to help as many students as possible through our Instagram account. So if you're also from the 23 batch, make sure to join us. All right, so there are also a few more questions. Amit says hiring process, ma'am. Hiring process, basically your hiring process will depend on, it will start with you filling up this application form. Post that, you will be contacted based on your, there will be a resume shortlisting. Based on that, you will be contacted by their team, and the rest of the process will follow post that, and you will be notified via email. So if you have applied to Microsoft, if you are planning to apply to Microsoft, then make sure that you have a close check on your inbox. Sai Teja is asking, there is no need backlogs, ma'am. If you're wondering if backlogs are allowed, no. It clearly says here, let me just show it to you. Yeah, under the qualifications, it clearly says that no backlogs are allowed. Also, we know that you guys might have, concerns about this particular drive, or if you still have any questions, you can definitely DM us on Instagram. This video will also be available on YouTube to, rewatch again. So if you have missed any important part of the video, you can definitely watch it or share it with friends who have missed this session. All right, so Abhi Shinde is asking, I want to know how to apply to TCS, ma'am. Please come to our Instagram and help. Our team will be helping you out. This is our Instagram for the 2023 batch. Just DM us here. Follow us, maybe if you want to be a part of the community, which we will definitely we'd be glad to have you. Just DM us and our team will guide you step by step on how to apply to TCS. All right, so let's just take one or two more questions from the chat, and then we can wrap up this session. So if you still have any queries, please keep commenting below. Abhishek is asking when 2023 hiring will start. It has begun, and let me also tell it to you, Abhishek, that the hirings for 2023 have comparatively started a little earlier, which also means that there will be a really tough competition this year for the graduates of 2023. So, TCS has already been announced for you guys. The registrations are still open. You can just come down to our Instagram for the 2023 batch. That is PrepInsta 2023. DM us and our team will help you out. So, even Cisco is hiring for the 2023 batch, and we are expecting Wipro and a few more companies to start hiring really soon. So, if you are wondering if there is any more time for you to think about starting your preparations, wait around, there is none. Please start your preparations right away. All right. Rishikesh is asking, do we need to be 5-star in coding? You, you need to have good knowledge in coding. You need to be skilled in coding. And for that, that just comes with practice, and you need to have internship and project experience. So if you do not have any of, if you do not suffice any of these criterias, definitely you can just practice and start practicing coding. If you do not have internships, TCS-ION remote internship is an option for you. And if you do not have projects, you can start working on projects right away. For everything, you can just come down to PrepInsta Prime, and everything is available right here. So Rishikesh, if you are wondering how to get placed in Microsoft, and if you are wondering if if you are well prepared enough for it, PrepInsta Prime is the answer for you. Also, if you need our help, just call us on 844-844-0710. Our team will personally guide you and make sure all your queries are cleared out. All right, guys. So all info is continuously. Please do not spam in the comments. By the way, please give chance to another students to comment as well. All we need to prepare aptitude for Microsoft continuous questions for that. All right. So what you guys can do is just give us a call on 844-844-0710, and you can connect with a mentor, and our team will help you out. So that would be it for the session, guys. Again, repeating, this hiring opportunity might close up anytime. This is based on how many applications they have received. So make sure to apply as soon as possible and start preparing for it right away. Do let us know if you need our help. We are right here for you. You can just give us a call or text us on Instagram, and our team will help you out. Also, the link to apply will be available in the description box after the live session has ended, and the session will also be available to rewatch again. So that would be it for this session. Thank you for being here, and we'll see you really soon.
We have a tailored course on how to crack any exam of TCS, be it the TCS NQT or the Ninja, Digital, or even the Code Vita. And the best thing is we cover each and every minor topic that could be asked, be it aptitude, reasoning, verbal or coding or data interpretation. We got it all covered. Talking about aptitude, we start with a basic topic as number system, as well as we cover complex topics such as elementary statistics, which is a new addition to TCS and is very important, and even data interpretation. In the verbal section, we teach students on how to ace the comprehension part, and also we make them know the very basics of English grammar, which is necessary to crack the verbal section of TCS. The coding section also contains the required logic of programming like DSA, trees, graphs, as well as we offer the programs which are frequently asked in the exam in our top 100 coding questions. Students can revise what they have learned using the PrepInsta mock assignments and tests, which are also a part of the course. When we say Prime, we do intend to give the Prime experience for all our students. We offer complimentary live classes, mock quizzes, and we cover every aspect of the TCS interview, be it the HR interview or the technical interview. It is a complete all-in-one package. Student can also check the interview experience section, which offers real-time interview experiences of freshers who have cracked the TCS interview and exams from the first-hand experience. We have material which crosses 175 plus hours of learning just for TCS. So what are you waiting for? Get the Prime experience today.